Hello, my sweet creative friend. I wanted to take this moment and space to let you know that November 1st, I'm launching a new series, a 5-day meditative journey, especially designed for writers. And I wanted to launch it at the beginning of NaNoWriMo because I think it's something that will help a lot of us in our creative journey, whether you're writing your 5th novel or your 1st novel, or if you're embarking on a different creative journey altogether. It doesn't have to be for NaNoWriMo, it can be for anything. But as a writer, I just finished writing a new book actually, and these are all tools that I used in my own journey: breathwork, meditation, getting into this state of stillness that allows me to create from a place of peace. I'm going to be sharing a lot of these methods that I use in my own personal practice, just grounding methods that you can incorporate into your day-to-day life really easily. Breath work that you can do right before your practice, or a brief meditation, visualization, affirmations. We're going to try lots of different things. This is a wonderful course for someone who's maybe never meditated before. It's also a great way to take your practice deeper and try some new things to bring into your practice. Whether you're starting NaNoWriMo or you're embarking on another creative project, I hope you'll join me on November 1st for the premiere of the first meditation, and thereafter it will be 5 consecutive days of meditation, and I hope they're all just fun guided practices that you can come back to again and again whenever you need something to just boost your creativity and help you ground and go inward. So I look forward to seeing you there. If you're watching this in the future, the link to the first video will be below, and I look forward to meditating with you. I wish you so much joy in your creative journey. Namaste.